Now we are going to see the topic wise analysis of NEET question paper from 2016 to 2020. 2016 is the first batch of NEET question paper. This topic wise analysis gives the clarity of the previous year question paper and very useful to study upcoming exams. The first topic today, analyzing topic is the atomic structure. Topic now is atomic structure. First question: the electronic configuration of europium is atomic number is 63, gadolinium atomic number is 64, terbium is atomic number is 65. Terbium is atomic number 65. The question asking is, give the correct electronic configuration of these three elements: europium, gadolinium and terbium. We know that these three elements comes under lanthanide series. For lanthanide series, first element is lanthanum and the final element is the lutetium in this series. That's a totally 15 elements. The general electronic configuration of this lanthanide series is 4f 1 to 14 5d 0, 1. The electrons may be 0 or sometimes it's a 1, and for 6s orbital is completely filled, fully filled, 6s2. Let us take in the first element of this series. It's a lanthanum. Atomic number is 57, and for lutetium it is 71. For 57, the electronic configuration is general electronic configuration is electronic configuration of lanthanide is 4f 5d and 6s. For this series, the 6s orbital is fully filled. So first we write the 6s electronic configuration is fully filled. For 4f and 5d for lanthanide is the first electron enter into the 5d orbital. There is no electron for 4f orbital in the case of lanthanide. Due to the absence of that is a zero electron configuration of 4f, that is the anomalous property of the lanthanide from the lanthanide series. It is for this reason there is no f electron, but it comes under f block element because it is an anomalous property. Next goes to the series cerium 58. That is a 4f electron 2 and 5d is 0 6s2. The electron transfer from 5d to 4f, and there is a new electron enter into the 4f only. There is no electron goes to 5d. Next 59 4f3 for 60 61 62 63. 4f4 4f5. Next one is a 4f6. Another one is a 4f7. Okay, that's all having electronic configurations. 5d0 6s2. That's all. Okay, that is the electronic configuration of 63 atomic number, that is a europium. 4f7 5d0 6s2. That is the electronic configuration of europium. Okay, next one is a 64, atomic number 64. For atomic number 64, that is a 4f 5d 6s2. For 4f, that is a totally 8 electron in 4f, but actually it is practically 4f8 5d0. But the off-filled orbital is a highly stable. Due to the reason of off-filled is a highly stable reason, the electron, only 7 electron present in 4f. The remaining 1 electron goes to the 5d. Okay, that's all. So the electronic configuration of atomic number 64, that is gadolinium, is a 4f7 5d1. And next for terbium 65 is 4f 5d and 6s. This is 2. that is 7 plus 1 8. The newly entered electron also enter into the 4f orbital. 8 plus 1 9. The 5d is a 0. So we note that the electronic configuration of 4f 7 5d0 6s2 for europium, and 4f7 5d1 6s2 for gadolinium, and 4f9 5d0 and 6s2 for terbium. That is the correct electronic configuration of this 3 element. Okay, that's all. Next question is the question number 2. The 2 electrons occupying the same orbital are distinguished by. It is also a NEET 2016 question paper. It's a first batch of NEET question paper. The 2 electrons occupying the same orbital distinguished by principal quantum number, magnetic, azimuthal and spin quantum number. Let us take an example. Any one of the element from the atomic from periodic table. Taken beryllium, atomic number is 4. So write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Let us taken the electrons of outermost electron of 2s2. For 2s2 orbital, the s orbital having a 2 electron. For this s orbital, 2s orbital, the first see the principal quantum number, that is small n. Principal quantum number value is a 2. The principal quantum number value is a 2. Next one, the azimuthal quantum number L, small l. For azimuthal quantum number, we know that for 0 value is S, 1 is P, 2 is D, 3 is F. That is the value of azimuthal quantum number value of this orbitals. Okay, for L, for azimuthal quantum number 2s, the s is equal to 0, and for C, L is equal to 0, M is also 0. Let us taken this 3 value. The 2 electron having n is equal to 2 value is applied for this 2 electron. L azimuthal value 0 is also applied for this 2 electron. Same, M is 0 value is also for these two, both the electrons. We cannot able to distinguish for different value of principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number. All are similar. For 2 value means both the electron having a principal quantum number value is a 2. Then how will you distinguish this 2 electron? By the last quantum number spin, that is spin quantum number, that is S. The for 1 electron, that is the value is plus of, for another electron it is a minus of. So if the first 3 quantum numbers may be a similar value of the 2 electron in the same orbital, but definitely there must be a change, that is a variable value of spin quantum number. Okay, that's all. So the answer, the correct answer is a spin quantum number. Next question is how many electrons can fit in the orbital for which n is equal to 3? That is the principal quantum number is 3 and azimuthal quantum number is 1. It is a NEET year 2017. Okay, the optional is 2, 6, 10 and 14. Okay, that's how many electrons can fit in the orbital for which n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1. For n is equal to 3, we know that principal quantum number n is equal to 3 means 3, and L is equal to 0 means, 1 means it is indicating p orbital. For L is equal to 0 is a S, for L is equal to 1 it's a p. So 3p orbital. Okay, so write the structure 3p orbital. The maximum number of electron occupying 3p orbital is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many electron can fit in the orbital for which n is equal to 3, L is equal to 1? The maximum number of electron. The asking is maximum number of electron is a 6 electron. So optional 2 is the correct one. That's